this is the total views of my lovely village where it is located under the district of West Karbi and along in Umswai Valley. And my village is very close to the highest peak in the Umswai Valley, that is called Thanthe or Palakhongor, the great ancient rock of Umswai Valley. And also very close to the best picnic spot that is called Tigrum, which lies on the Umyam river. The name of my village is Mawlen, which derived from the khasi word. Mawlen means the precious stone. In my village we have a mixed tribe like Karbi, Tiwa and Nungtung Khasi. In this village we have like 100 plus household and almost like 1000 plus population. This village is fully Christianity village, and this is our beautiful church still under the construction. Hope by the grace of God it will be complete very soon. We praise the Lord with full mind, heart and spirit. And this is my lovely house, and our house is located in the east side. Okay guys.